The summer night sky is filled with a treasure chest of bright jewels. Scorpius is a striking constellation, one of the few that distinctly resembles the object after which it was named. The scorpion is easy to trace in the night sky. Its head, curved tail, and venomous stinger are prominent. At the scorpion's heart lies a reddish star. Its color closely resembles that of Mars, known to the Greeks as Ares. Ancient Greek stargazers contemplating these two crimson objects named the star Antares, which means rival of Ares. A prominent and lovely globular cluster in small telescopes, M4, lies just to the right of Antares in Scorpius. Globular clusters are collections of hundreds of thousands of closely packed and gravitationally bound stars. The center of our galaxy lies in the direction of the great constellation Sagittarius, the Archer. This area of the sky overflows with stars, globular star clusters, and bright and dark nebulae. Look for Sagittarius by finding the group of stars commonly known as the teapot. The handle, top, and spout are easy to find. Under dark skies, the Milky Way seems to rise out of the teapot's spout. Many deep sky targets reside in this area of the summer night sky. A quick glance with binoculars reveals some spectacular objects. The Lagoon Nebula's gas and dust is brilliantly illuminated by the energy of the hot, young stars inside it. In the three-lobed Trifid Nebula, dark dust lanes appear etched against the radiance of glowing gas. The Omega Nebula glows brightly, but we cannot see its hottest stars embedded deep inside. Infrared telescopes peering through the gas and dust can detect them. M22, one of the brightest globular clusters in the sky, is visible to the naked eye. It is a relatively nearby globular cluster, only about 10,000 light-years distant.
Set your alarm for dawn. Every morning this July, the two brightest planets in the solar system will put on a show before sunrise. Look out any east-facing window to see Venus and Jupiter shining side by side, so close together you can hide them behind your outstretched palm. On July 7th, Venus and Jupiter line up with Aldebaran, the bright red eye of Taurus the Bull. Aldebaran is a red giant star of first magnitude. Together with Venus and Jupiter, it forms an almost perfect vertical line in the brightening dawn sky. The best, however, is yet to come. On July 9th, Venus and Aldebaran converge to form a planet-star pair of surpassing beauty. Scarcely more than a degree of arc will separate the two celestial bodies as Jupiter looks down from overhead. And then on July 15th, a 12% crescent moon joins the show, forming a bright celestial triangle with Venus and Jupiter. The slender arms of the crescent cradle a ghostly image of the full moon. That's caused by Earthshine, sunlight reflected from our own planet onto the otherwise dark lunar landscape. A crescent moon with Earthshine is considered to be one of the prettiest sights in the heavens. A crescent moon with Earthshine and Venus and Jupiter Well, that's worth waking up for, even in the middle of summer vacation.
On the other side of the sky, watch a planetary pairing unfold. Mars moves closer to Saturn this month, preparing for their planetary meetup in August. Saturn, with its rings wide open, is larger and brighter than Mars. On August 5th, they'll make a pretty pair, just in time for the landing of NASA's rover Curiosity on the red planet. That's at 10:31 p.m. Pacific time on the 5th, or 1:31 a.m. Eastern time on the 6th. Send yourself a reminder to step outside on the evenings of July 24th and 25th. That's when the waxing moon pairs up with Mars, Saturn, and Virgo's great white star, Spica.
The annual Delta Aquarid meteor shower peaks on the night of July 28th to 29th. Watch for meteors radiating from the southeast after midnight. Expect to see up to 20 small yellowish meteors per hour. The night sky is always a celestial showcase. Explore its wonders from your own backyard.